Hi there. Just got back from Auburn, Indiana. Andreas, Cara, and myself, and we went to the Auburn Duesenberg factory. Andy is a patron there, and it's absolutely fantastic. Unfortunately, fortunately, we didn't sell the wine job. However, I fell in love with a new, beautiful, wonderful lady, and here she is. Let me present the 1912 OLDSMOBILE Defender. It is absolutely perfect. It was sitting between two buildings that make up 100,000 square feet, and in the very center of this beautiful building is an office set up for 5 offices and in its circle. And in the middle of the circle is this car. I fell in love. I was gobsmacked. It is absolutely perfect. It is, at the time when it was made, in 1912, they sold only a chassis. They sold 3 different size chassis. Small, medium, and large. Guess what this one is? It's the smallest, least expensive one because of the size of the engine. However, whoever bought this was really a smart guy. He went out and he bought the absolute best body that he could have made for it, put the best accoutrements on it that was absolutely possible, and this is what happened. Take a look at the headlights, for instance. There's solar eclipse. I know the gentleman that restored this spent 7 years, and one of his guys said, my God, he spent $10,000 just having the headlights straightened up, polished, and cleaned. So these are probably the most magnificent headlights we've ever seen. These are solar eclipse. Look at the rest of the accoutrements. Look at the spotlight. This is pre-starters. This is a hand crank start. And the racing windscreen on it, the circle. Look at that spotlight. Copper and brass. This is all very special. And then again, Andreas showed them the horn. Is this unbelievable? Do you remember the War of the Worlds and that big long head that came out and with red and green lights and it shot fire out of it? Well, I think this is what it was modeled after. But this is our new, well, it's one, that's kind of pitiful, but thank you, Andreas. Next time, squeeze it with both fingers. Anyway, just wanted to share this with you. This is the most magnificent little car I've ever seen. I had to have it. By God, I have it. Anyway, back to the beast and the Rio.